Start with first just everyday conversations. Say you've been holding out and suppressing, really feeling irritated with what your partner buys at the grocery. You have a preference for this type of pasta and they buy this type of pasta. If you already can't have those conversations, start there. Start with things that don't have as much power or meaning in the relationship. Begin to build your trust and figure out how you can communicate your needs, wants, and desires. And again, it matters, particularly if it's a known, that your partner may feel different or has opposing needs, wants, and desires. Practice outside of the bedroom talking about less sensitive topics.